This is my setup for milling the ends of 80/20, the little gaps. Couldn't find any videos online, so I think I'm doing it right. I put a little stop here to line it up, and then I have my hold down clamp, and then I put a couple alignment clamps here with a little end stop there, so I can do all the one side and then the other side. It gets thicker at the bottom there where you got to cut through that piece. Set the hard stop up right there so I know where I'm at. And then these little pieces kind of pop in. You should check it every once in a while to make sure that it's working all right. Hopefully this helps.